Okay, here is a queen palm seeds germinating just below my queen palm in front of the house. These are readily available. You see several over here on the floor next to the caladiums. But for those of you that are into palm trees, if you never saw one close up, that's what they look like. And the seeds, and see those little seeds over here, those are queen palm seeds from the last flurry of activity we had early in the spring. What we're doing now is we're just slowly scanning up a queen palm tree to give you an idea of what they look like. This is the canopy of a queen palm tree. As you can see, is very active up there, and it has a lot of branches that what I call a maintenance nightmare, because you have to cut them off to make the palm tree look pretty. And a queen palm tree is very pretty if you do maintain it. But in order to maintain it, you got to do a lot of maintenance work on it. Cutting all those branches, the seed bracts, and everything else that falls. As the queen palm ages, the older branches tend to fall down, and that's what I call a maintenance run, because this is not self-pruning. You actually have to prune it yourself. So if you're going to grow queen palm trees, this is a few of the things you have to get used to. And that's what I got to say on the queen palm tree. And if you notice up there, that's a seed bract. That is relatively small in comparison to something. Last year, this thing had at least 5 seed bracts on it, and I'm saying maybe thousands of seeds on one bract. So if you're going to grow one, just be prepared. It looks very pretty, but you will have to maintain it to look pretty. Don't do what some of these other people do. They cut almost 80% of the branches off in order to prevent it. If you're going to grow one, you will get branches that you will have to maintain, and it requires at least 3 cuts a year. But if you will like 3 cuts a year, it will reward you with a very pretty tree. And remember, you got to feed it too. Right? This is brought to you by greendougherty.com. That's GREENDOUGHTY.com. Just look at our garden section. Thank you very much.